Whether you are new to aluminum welding or have been doing it for years, you are faced with unique challenges. Inconsistent wire feeding can cause bird nesting, buckling, or wire shaving, resulting in lost time due to liner changes and overall troubleshooting of the feeding system. Harsh industrial environments can cause damage to metal case feeders, creating downtime for maintenance and repair or replacement. Aluminum applications deserve a dedicated aluminum solution. The XR-AlumaFeed system consistently delivers premium feeding performance, has a balanced ergonomic gun design, and is portable when needed. The torque assist motor of the XR-AlumaPro suitcase pushes the wire consistently over long distances to prevent wire buckling or shaving in the main liner, ensuring high weld quality and keeping welders in production. The rugged, proven plastic case is designed to withstand industrial environments. It's also lighter, so when portability is needed, it's easy to move, meaning welders can extend their reach and go where the work is. The AlumaFeed system helps you confidently weld aluminum all day. Learn more at millerwelds.com/aluminum.